For your exciting viewing of this edition of your Automobile Electronic Magazine, we have the 2018 Aston Martin DB11 AMR. Let's watch this.
Aston Martin has brought a new dimension of race-inspired dynamism and performance to the DB11 family with the introduction of the new DB11 AMR, launched at the opening of the new Nurburgring-based AMR Performance Centre. Replacing the outgoing V12-engined DB11 as the new flagship of the DB11 range, the DB11 AMR boasts of greater power, increased performance, enhanced driving dynamics, and a more character exhaust note, together with a suite of exterior and interior enhancements. Together, they create a DB11 that offers a more vivid driving experience, yet preserves the maturity and effortless continent-crushing GT performance for which the original V12-engined DB11 is rightly renowned. AMR, inspired by Aston Martin Racing's successful endurance program, pushes the envelope of performance for each model in Aston Martin's range. Launched at the Geneva Motor Show in 2017, the performance derivative has already delivered the previous generation Vantage AMR and AMR Pro, with the highly anticipated Rapide AMR forthcoming. At the heart of the DB11 AMR is Aston Martin's twin-turbocharged 5.2-liter V12. Now developing 630 bhp, this gives the DB11 AMR an additional 30 bhp compared to the outgoing DB11 V12, and 127 bhp more than the V8-engined DB11. Torque remains unchanged at 700 Nm. A 0.62 mph time of 3.7 seconds is an improvement of the 0.2 second over the outgoing model, while a top speed of 208 mph makes the DB11 AMR one of the world's swiftest GT cars and the fastest model in Aston Martin's current series production range.